So today we have an iPhone XR that will need a new screen replacement. First of all, you will need to unscrew the two pentacle screws at the bottom of the phone. Once they are off, you will need to lift up the screen gently. Then you will have 3 tri-point screws that you will need to unscrew. Once the metal plate is off, you will need to disconnect the battery. Once this is disconnected, you will have 2 tri-point screws that's holding down the screen connection. Then remove off the metal plate and disconnect the screen connection. Then you will have 3 tri-point screws and 2 Phillips screws that you will need to remove. Once that's off, you will disconnect the Face ID's connection. Then you will have 2 Phillips screws and 1 tri-point screw that you will need to remove in order to remove the earpiece speaker. Then you will need to take your screen and put it on a heat mat or use the hairdryer to remove off the earpiece speaker. Once that's done heating, then gently remove off the earpiece speaker. Then take your new screen and screw back on your earpiece speaker. Once it's screwed on, then you will take your new screen and install it back onto the phone. Then you connect all the connections back together and put on the metal plate, starting from the top and ending at the bottom. Then you can connect back up to your battery and install the metal plate. Then close your phone and screw back on the 2 pentacle screws at the bottom of the phone. And now the phone's working as good as new. Thank you for watching.